This video will show you how to make a pleated paper butterfly. For this pleated paper butterfly, you will need a square piece of paper, some yarn or some string, and scissors. For this butterfly, you're going to take your square piece of paper and fold it in half. Once you have that piece of paper folded in half, you are then going to cut the piece of paper down the middle so you have two long rectangles. Now that you have two rectangles, you're going to want to take one of the pieces and fold that nicely in half on the length. Great. Now you're going to want to fold the corners in so that you have two triangles on the edges. Now that you have that, you're going to want to fold in the pleats. So you can just fold it in half and in half again and then in half again, so you have a little strip. And then once you open it up, you have equal distance lines that you can then fold backwards and forth like a concertina, creating a fan type of shape for your butterfly wings. This part will make up the top part of the butterfly, so the bigger part of the wings, and it has the sharper edges on the edge. And then you'll see in a moment how we use the pleats and the other piece of paper to make a smaller part of the wing. So you'll just be folding the paper back and forth, and that will give you a fan type of shape. Great. Once you've done that, you can just fold that piece in half and you will have the top part of your butterfly ready. So to make the bottom part of the wing, you've got your second piece of paper, and this time you are going to fold the pleats on the width of the paper. So the same again, fold the pleats on the widthways, and then just fold your paper in half, in half, in half, in half again, till you get the folded lines that you can then open up and fold into a concertina type shape. So by folding it in half and half again, you're just creating guides for yourself to be able to open up the paper and then fold it back and forth so you get a type of fan. So once you have that folded up, you can just fold that part in half like the previous piece. And you can also fan out both pieces and they should look like this. Now you want to take a piece of yarn and tie it around the middle so that the two pieces are connected on top of one another. You can cut a piece of string any length and then just tie it with a normal knot. If you've made it this far into the video, let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite thing to craft, what do you love crafting, and what is on your craft table right now. Is it vinyl cutting? Is it paper crafting? Are you folding? Are you doing DIY crafts? I'd love to hear. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Like this video. Tag me on Instagram. If you find me on Instagram, give MadzScapes Art a tag. Let us see what you've been crafting. And thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye for now.